Options are contracts which gives the holder the right but not obligation to buy or sell an asset at a specified price and time. There are several kinds of options. Among these, put options is one. So here we see European put option. The following scenarios where initial price, strike price, and other parameters as indicated are given. Usually the quantity U and the D is the factor by which the price go up or go down is calculated from volatility. These quantities help us to calculate the risk neutral probabilities. Here, as indicated, we can calculate using this formula. In this case, 0.55 and 0.45. So now the factor U and the D helps us to predict the prices in the next periods, 2 periods as indicated here. Then we calculate the payoff at maturity as indicated here. Then we calculate the price backward using the expected price multiplied by the discount factor in the risk neutral world. So the price at the first node or in the middle of the maturity is indicated here. Again, we go backward. Also, we calculate the premium, and here the European put option price is 1.53. Now we pass into American put option. Again, everything is similar except one thing. We have to check the early exercise possibility. As you can see at the node where the price is 22, when we check the early exercise possibility, there is no possibility of exercising early. At the node where the price is 18, as you can see, when we calculate the payoff, there is a possibility of early exercise. Then again we go backward using the expected payoff and discount factor. We calculate the premium or the price at t is equal to 0, which is equal to 1.63.